Condition-based monitoring is still the go-to solution for most industrial companies for asset maintenance. But this type of monitoring is not enough to proactively prevent costly downtime. HPE Digital Prescriptive Maintenance Solution leverages all sources of data to analyze machine performance and identify future issues. It will even identify the reasons for equipment failure. It can guide maintenance and manually or automatically initiate actions. This demo combines the services from HPE Pointnext with Data IQ, Click, and HPE technologies. An analyst can use the dashboard to explore or exploit data from the past, such as comparing one parameter across multiple machines for a selected period of time. And this period of time can be automatically used by an AI anomaly detection workflow to classify and explore parameters. In this example, a piece of equipment is predicted as being 94% likely to fail within 2 weeks. There is also information about the criticality and repair costs to support the decision. Detailed explanation will guide maintenance. It also helps select the right action, such as scheduling maintenance or calling in a specialist. Automating actions such as sending mail to a resource manager or generating a ticket save valuable time and prevent human error. HPE Digital Prescriptive Maintenance gives users minimal downtime, cost reductions through automation, and increased productivity and quality. Start with an HPE Artificial Intelligence Transformation Workshop. Build a common understanding and vision around AI, data, and analytics, and quickly identify a potential use case and create a roadmap. Or you can start directly experimenting a prescriptive maintenance use case with the proof of value service. Contact us to find out more.